Hey guys, today I'm doing a little tutorial on how to draw something. So first you do a semicircle, you add an oval, you add a line, another semicircle, an egg, and then you add a line. Then you add some kind of confetti looking stuff, like a pom-pom of pom-pom girls. Get it? Cause they're pom-poms, they use pom-poms. Then you add another line. Wait, no, this one's bad. You add another line. This one can be however you want because it's the face shape. And all face shapes are allowed. Then you make poof, it's the ear. You make a small poof, it's the other ear. Then you need to add a neck because, you know, we need necks. It's kind of useful to get information from the brain to the spine. Yeah. So you just, yeah, another line. You have a neck, then you can, if you want to be a bit more professional, add the small line here, because you know your throat isn't fully straight. It's pretty gay. Boom. Haha. No, it's in 3D. So, yeah. And then you add clothing. So you can just look at yourself and just do the same. So I'm gonna add a t-shirt. Yup. Some other lines for shoulders. A little curved line. Another one. Then curve for the arms. And then if you want to be more manga style, because you know you like anime or whatever, you can be a little bit more kawaii. Add some red here. If you don't know what that means, it's blushing. Unless, yeah, you knew or not. I'm just, yeah. And there you go. And then you can just add whatever of a watermark, because people can steal your artwork. Yeah. I hope you like this. Big smile. Bye.